Yeah, you guys saw the apartment, right? That hood latch is broke off completely. This is what's holding it on right now. He's asking $6,000 for it. He said it had an offer for 4, so not bad. I'm assuming. Again, I know nothing about these cars. So right now the floor pan is rotted out. I don't know about the front, but I'm assuming it's as bad as the back. So there's the interior. You guys already saw the mileage. All the glass is intact. It's got that fold back rear seat, rear facing third seat, whatever you call it. Don't have the key, so I can't open the trunk. 300 TD, turbo diesel, 1984. Like I said, the rear seats are gone. The rear floor pan is out. That's all rust. I have no idea what that's going to cost to fix. Pretty sure it ain't cheap. That's the VIN number. There's the mileage. Alright, yeah. That's the car in a nutshell, so I'm out of here, boys. Later.